Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Finance Unpacked with SB. Today I am going to discuss with you about a debenture fraud that has happened in Indian securities market. So there's a company called Blue Smart, which is a private limited firm, and it has raised amount to the extent of 100 crores with the help of some online platforms and raised the amount through HNIs. So Blue Smart is a private limited company, so it cannot access the bond market and raise money from the public. So it has raised the money through some HNIs. Now what happened is Indian law require that the debentures need to be secured with some underlying asset of the company, so that in case the company is not able to make good the loan, make good the amount of the investors, then the investors have the right to sell those assets and take their money back. But what happened in this case is the Blue Smart have secured the debentures with the help of an EV fleet. So they are an EV fleet company, just like Uber. So instead of this petroleum and diesel vehicles, they provide EV vehicles to their customers. So that's it. We have got these EV vehicles. They are worth some value, and which you can use it as a security to secure your debentures. But what happened is now the investors are realizing that those EVs are not registered in companies, the Blue Smart's name, but in another company's name, which is also of the same founders, but it is another entity altogether. So suddenly overnight, debenture holders have found themselves in a position where their money is now unsecured. They are now in the category of unsecured creditors. So that is the kind of fraud companies do with the debenture holders, with their investors. It was all a matter of corporate governance, and I can make another video of how the Blue Smart and its parent company has committed a stock market fraud. Do let me know in the comments if you want to know, and follow me for more such updates. Thank you.